Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to redirect GoDaddy domain to another website. So to redirect basically GoDaddy domain to another website, follow these steps. Log into a GoDaddy account and then navigate towards my product and find the domain that you want to redirect, and then click manage to DNS to open DNS management page. And then scroll down to the forwarding section, click add next to the domain, and then enter the URL of the website that you want to redirect to. Choose the redirect type, e.g. permanent 301 or temporary 302. Optionally, you can select forward with masking if you want to hide the destination URL, and then you can save changes. Your domain will now redirect to the specific website or specified website, and may take a few minutes or for the changes to take effect. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.